Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem of Facebook monetization disabled. And to do so, it's very easy. We will go through three steps. First is to find the problem actually, and then fixing the problem, and then submitting an appeal. Now let's get straight into it. Understanding what a monetization suspension means on Facebook is crucial for any content creator. It signifies a loss of ability to earn revenue from your content, often due to policy violations or technical issues. So, for example, if you are using something that is copyrighted, if it's against the policies, if you have a problem with your account, then you might want to fix that. Now, let's understand the cause and identify it. The first crucial step is to pinpoint why your monetization was suspended. Facebook provides tools to help you with this, so you can check the Facebook Creator Studio or your professional dashboard, as some people call it. Navigate to the Monetization tab to find detailed information about the violation. You can also review your notification email, so look for an email from Facebook that outlines the exact reason for the suspension. So when this type of thing happens, they usually send you an email to inform you why it happened and when. Now, for the typical checks, you can check the policy violation type. If you have violated something in the policies of Facebook, like nudity, racism, etc., you can check that. You also can check the date and content flagged, so identify when the violation occurred and which content was involved. And note if this is your first offense or if there have been prior warnings. Now, of course, you can always take screenshots of all notifications and violation details for your records. This documentation can be vital for appeals. So, when you make an appeal, we will get to that later on the video. When you make an appeal, you want to have a max of proofs to show that you are not guilty. Now, you have to take corrective actions. Now, this is very basic information. I'm not showing you something very impressive, but these can work. Now, for the content related issues, of course, delete or edit the parts of the video that have problematic content, like racism, nudity, etc. As I said earlier, you have to edit this or delete it. Now, you have to avoid the similar content. Obviously, if you have made something that is problematic in the past, don't make it again, because you have the same problem. If you have used a music or a video that is copyrighted, you always have to ask for permission or to pay the copyright fees or to find a solution. Basically, not just use it for free like that. You can use transformative content. I have talked about it in another video. But if you are using the content like it is, like raw, then you might want to obtain permissions. Now, for the technical issues, maybe there are problems with your device or with your browser, so clear the cache and update your apps. And now for the account related issues, you have to update the account information, so verify and update payment info, tax forms, and identity verification documents. You can also remove unauthorized admins, so review and remove any unfamiliar or unauthorized admin roles from your page or account. Maybe some admins are just sabotaging your page. Now, last, appeal and prevention. For the appeal process, first, if you believe that the suspension was a mistake, you have the right to appeal. Now, initiate a review, go to Monetization Policy Violation and Creator Studio and click Request Review. Next, provide explanation. So, submit a clear explanation and provide any evidence to support your case. And then submit timely, so ensure your appeal is submitted within 30 days of receiving the suspension notice. As I said earlier, all the screenshots that you took of your problems on your account, they may be a good solid proof in this case. Now, for the prevention tips, you have to always regular the policy review, so stay updated with Facebook's monetization policies as they can change. Now, for the original and fact checked content, prioritize creating original, high quality content that is fact checked and adheres to community standards. Nowadays, you can do misinformation on Facebook and you will be banned about that, which didn't happen before, like in 2 to 3 years before that. Because now, with the spread of AI, etc., misinformation has been growing a lot. So be careful of that because the rules change. Now, you can also monitor the page quality. Regularly check your page quality section in the Creator Studio for any potential issues. And use copyright-free media. Always use media that is either original or from copyright-free sources to avoid intellectual property claims. Now, obviously, you cannot always make the content that you want, like the music, the sound effects, etc., but try to use something that is freely, like copyright free. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. That wasn't really the tutorials that I do usually, but yeah, it's an informative guide and an explanation. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.